Close your eyes and rest a while. Let peace begin to rise inside. In the stillness of this night, I whisper words you always hear. Though my voice is soft and low, you draw my soul so near. You are near. I have no fear. You hear my sighs, you catch each tear. No cry of mine escapes your love. I find my rest beneath your gaze. My heart lifts gently up above. In the stillness of this night, I whisper words you always hear. Though my voice is soft and low, you draw my soul so near. You are near. I have no fear. But you hear my voice when shadows fall. You hold me close, you know it all. So I will breathe and trust and sleep. For you, O Lord, my soul will keep. I lay my worries at your feet and wait in still expectancy. No need to strive, no need to speak. You know what lives inside of me. In the stillness of this night, I whisper words you always hear. Though my voice is soft and low, you draw my soul so near. You are near. I have no fear. When morning comes, I'll sing again. But now I rest in calm amend. Your love a blanket wrapped around. Your mercy is my sleeping sound. You hear my voice in quiet prayer. You meet me gently even there. So I will rest my spirit light, safe in